Welcome to Maths class, Triangles Part 9, Exercise 6.3. We will be discussing question number 8. E is a point on side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show that triangle AB is similar to triangle CFB. Here in the textbook, figure is not given to you. So we have to draw the figure according to the question. Let us draw the figure. Okay, let us see the figure. ABCD is a parallelogram. E is a point on side AD produced. Side AD is produced to point E. And BE intersects CD at F. We have to show that triangle ABE is similar to. ABE means this is ABE. Here you can see the triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. CFB, triangle is CFB. Here it is. The similarity here we have to prove. First let us think what is given to us. We have to find out what is given. So it's a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. So what do you know? If it is a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal as well as parallel. Here we know that AD is parallel to BC. In a parallelogram, ABCD, AD parallel to BC. We know it. And here AD is extended to point E. So here AE is also parallel to BC. AE parallel to BC as it is just extension. If these two lines are parallel, having BE as a transversal, we will be getting alternate interior angles equal. You can see these two angles. Here AE parallel to BC. Consider BE as a transversal. Considering BE as a transversal. BE as a transversal. Let us mark it as angle 1 and 2. Let it be angle 1 here as angle 2. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Reason is mentioned here. AE parallel to BC. Angle 1 is equal to 2. They are alternate interior angle. Okay. Alternate interior angles are equal. So for proving the similarity of these two triangles, we have to think of AA similarity, SSS or SAS. So which is better you have to find out. Here one pair of angle equal we found out. Then from the clue again, since it is a parallelogram, we know that opposite angles are equal. So don't you see that angle A is equal to angle C here? Angle A is equal to angle C. That is opposite angles of parallelogram. Okay. Opposite angles of parallelogram will be equal. Now when we consider triangle ABE, come back to question, we have to show that triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So in triangle ABE, we can see that angle A that is equal to angle C of triangle CFB. So one pair of corresponding angles are equal here. Similarly, for the first triangle, angle 1 is equal to angle 2 of the second triangle. So we are getting 2 points AA. Therefore, we can say that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. Very easy to understand. It is by AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Always when you get the question, go through thoroughly, then draw the figure, shade if it is necessary. So you'll be able to get any three parts, any three corresponding pairs, so that you'll be able to prove by AA similarity or SA similarity or SSS similarity, these two triangles are similar. Okay children, we move on to question number 9. Very simple question. Figure is given. In figure, triangle ABC. Look at the right triangle. Triangle ABC, right angle that B. And triangle AMP. Triangle AMP are two right triangle. Here angle AMP is right angle 90 degree. Right angle that B and M respectively. We have to prove that triangle ABC similar to ABC triangle. You can see triangle ABC here. Okay, triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP. This is AMP triangle. These two are similar. We have to prove. By watching it is very simple. First clue is given to us. It is right angle at B and M respectively. Let us consider both the triangle. Whatever is to be proved, that we have to consider. Consider triangle ABC and triangle AMP. In ABC, you might have noticed this angle B. Angle ABC is 90. In triangle AMP also, angle AMP is 90. Angle ABC equal to angle AMP equal to 90 degree. That is given to us. This point is given to us. Now, do you find anything common? Here sides ratio is not there. So, next thing to prove is common angle we can find. For the first one, ABC triangle and for AMP triangle, don't you see angle A as common? Angle A is equal to angle A. It is common for both. Okay. Therefore, we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP. This is by AA similarity criterion. Okay, this is by AA similarity. If these two triangles are similar, this is the first point we have proved. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP by AA similarity. Second point is, if two triangles are similar, corresponding sides are proportional. Three proportionalities we can say. What are they? First one is the question itself, CA by PA. Look at CA by PA equal to BC by MP. That can be written directly. So, CA. There are many ratios as I told you. AB by AM equal to BC by MP equal to AC by AP. Many ratios we can write. So, here whatever is asked we will be writing CA or AC. It is CA by, if we have taken CA, we have to consider PA. That's equal to BC by MP. BC by MP. The reason here is already we proved by AA similarity criterion, triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP. Triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP. Sides are proportional. That also if you write it is better. Sides are proportional. So you will not be losing any mark if all the points are there. Let us move to question number 10. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that D and H lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, show that first point CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Second point, triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. And third point to be proved is triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. So here figure is not given. Let us draw the figure. All of you can draw an. Okay, let us go through the question again. By watching this figure, you will understand CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB. Here CD is a bisector of angle ACB. Angle bisector, that means angle 1 is equal to angle 3 given to us. Okay. Similarly, GH is angle bisector of EGF. Angle bisector of angle EGF. That means angle 2 is equal to angle 4. Such that D and H lies on side AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG. So CD, D lies on AB and H lies on FE of triangle ABC and triangle FGE. If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, that is the clue given to us. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. We have to show that CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Now for which, what are the clues to be given? Clues given to us, and we have to use the clues first so that you will be getting the answer. Here, given triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG. ABC triangle and FEG triangle are similar. So is it angle C is equal to angle G? If two triangles are similar, corresponding angles are equal. So we have angle bisectors here. So CD is angle bisector. Here angle 1 is equal to angle 3. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4. I am going to take half on both the sides. Half C is equal to half of G. Okay. So what is this half of C? It can be angle 3 or angle 1. I am going to consider this triangle, for which I have to take angle 1 now. This angle 1. If it is angle 1, I will be considering this triangle and I will consider half of G as angle 2. So whatever is to be proved, according to that we have to move. For proving the ratios, we must prove that these two triangles are similar. CD is a part of this. Similarly, GH is a part of this. AC, you can see AC here. FG here. Okay, so we have to consider two triangles. Then only we will be able to show the similarity and also we will be able to find out. Okay. Children, here the first question is actually triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE according to our textbook. This comes as a second one, triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. And third point is CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Because in order to prove this ratio, first we have to know how the similarity comes. After deriving the similarity only we will be able to prove this. So please change the order as first one triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE, second one triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF, and third one is the ratio. For proving the first question, we have to consider, here we have to prove triangle DCB, that is why I shaded here DCB triangle similar to HGE triangle, that is to be proved. For proving that I shaded this. We know that angle C is equal to angle G. Angle C is equal to angle G. The reason is given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, which is given. Therefore, corresponding angles are equal. Angle C is equal to angle G. Then we are taking half of it. That half is equal to 1 as well as 2. 1 is equal to angle 2. Now, when we consider this dotted triangle, In order to prove it as similar, first point we got one pair of corresponding angles we got. Other angle is angle B equal to angle E. Here also the reason it is the same, angle B is equal to angle E. The reason is triangle ABC. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. Therefore, angle B is equal to angle E. So now two pairs over. Therefore, we can say that triangle DCB triangle similar to HGE. Therefore, triangle DCB similar to triangle HGE. It is by AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. When we change it, it is simple. This is the first one, second one and third one. Now we have to consider triangle DCA, the unshaded one, and HGF. It is the same method. Very simple. How to prove this? Is this angle 3 is equal to angle 4? As I told you, triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG. That is the second point. Triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG. Okay. Therefore, angle C is equal to angle G. And also half of angle C is equal to half of angle G. That half angle C we will be considering it as angle 3 is equal to half G we will consider it as angle 4. So one point we got. The next point is it angle A is equal to angle F? Angle A is equal to angle F since triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. That is angle A is equal to angle F. The reason is triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG. Therefore, we can say that triangle DCA, two angles we got, they are equal to two angles of the other triangle. DCA similar to HGF. Triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. This is also by AA similarity criterion. Hope you understood. We'll prove the third point, that is CD by GH is equal to AC by FG. Already we proved in the second one, that is we know that triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. We have proved above. We have to write it as proved above. Proved above. If it is proved like that, just take the corresponding parts. It is CD. CD by GH equal to AC by FG. AC by FG. Sides proportional. Since similarity is there, we can say that sides are proportional. This is how we can prove. Sides are proportional. Hope you understood. It's very simple. First you have to prove the similarity, then write corresponding sides are proportional. Question number 11. In figure, E is a point on side CB produced of an isosceles triangle ABC with the AB equal to AC. Given point is AB equal to AC. If AB is equal to AC, automatically we know angle B is equal to angle C. Opposite angles are equal. If two sides are equal, their opposite angles are equal. This is the clue given to us. if AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC, we have to prove that triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. Triangle ABD is this triangle. Triangle ABD here we have, and triangle ECF. ECF is this one. Okay, triangle ECF. This is the triangle. This is how we get. Now check it. What are the similarity criterion here we will be using? Here also it's simple to prove AA similarity. Very simple it is. Already we have angle B is equal to angle C. But what is the use of that? Angle C does not come to the point. Now let us consider two triangles to be proved as similar. Triangle ABD. Okay. In ABD is this angle 90 degree. So we have to write consider triangle ABD and triangle ECF. ABD is the pink one, ECF is the orange one. Okay, so how they are similar? First point is one right angle you can see for the first triangle. Similarly for ECF also we can see a right angle. That is what we are going to write. That is ADB angle. ADB equal to angle EFC equal to 90 degree. Given AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC. This is the reason. So what is the second point? For the first triangle ABD, don't you see an angle B here? Okay. For ECF, do you see an angle C here? Are these two angles equal? So here for the first triangle, angle B, that is equal to, for the second triangle, orange triangle, angle C it is. How do we get that? Let me mark it as 1. Already it is given. Clue is given AB is equal to AC. Therefore, we can write opposite angles are equal. That is how angle B equal to angle C. That we are using here as a point. We will write from 1. Okay, that is the reason. So you can see both. For pink one, 1, 2. For orange one, we have 1, 2. So two angles equal we got. Therefore, we can say triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. It is by AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. Some of the questions are very simple. Only thing is you have to draw the figure, shade it and find out the matching pairs. Today's last question, question number 12. Sides AB and BC. We can see the side AB and BC and median AD of triangle ABC are proportional to sides PQ, QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. The complete triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Complete one. Here we have to prove. So always it should come to your mind SAS, SSS and AA similarities. Which one will be better here we will see. Sides ratio is given. So there is a chance of ratio and included angle, that is SAS. Okay, AB, BC and median AD. AB is here, that is AB by PQ. AB, BC and median AD of triangle proportional to similarly PQ, QR and PM. Okay, therefore AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR equal to AD by PM. This is given to us. Okay, these three ratios given, but this ratio we have to use now in order to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. How is it? First, let us prove these two triangles similar, that is triangle ABD and triangle PQM. So what is the use of proving ABD similar to PQM? If these two are similar, we can take angle B equal to angle Q. Let us see that how we will do. For these to be similar, we have to get the ratio as AB by PQ equal to AD by PM, that is also there, equal to, instead of this, we must get it as BD by QM. What is BD relation with BC? See once more children, in order to prove the complete similarity, we don't have third side ratio. AC by PR is not there. Third side ratio is not there. Instead of that, AD by PM is given to us. Angles are not equal. They did not mention. So, by using this median itself, we are going to prove first two triangles are similar. So, this shaded one, ABD and PQM are similar, we are going to prove. For which, from the given point, AB by PQ equal to AD by PM, these 2 points I can use. Then instead of BC by QR, I must get it as BD by QM. So what is relation with BD and BC? Is it BD half of BC? So in the next step, I'll rewrite it AB by PQ. Second, let me write it as AD by PM. BC by QR, instead of that, half I will multiply in numerator and denominator. Look at that, the same thing. This is given to us. The given one simply I change by multiplication by half on numerator and denominator. So it becomes AB by PQ equal to AD by PM equal to half BC is BD. Half QR is QM. Now check the ratios of these two triangle sides. AB by PQ, AD by PM, BD by QM. Therefore, triangle ABD similar to triangle PQM. We have to arrange and write. This is by SSS similarity criterion. SSS similarity criterion by which these two triangles are similar. Okay, if these two triangles are similar, is angle B is equal to angle Q. Therefore, angle B is equal to, look at this, angle B is equal to angle Q. Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. So, angle B equal to angle Q, one major point we got. Now, we can think of proving triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. That is a complete triangle. Okay. So, the complete triangle ABC, the whole thing similar to, similar to PQR, the complete triangle. Okay. For which 2 points are already there, we are going to use the third point which we have found out. Which are the 2 points available? Don't you have AB by PQ equal to BC by QR? AB by PQ equal to BC by QR is available. And if you are taking AB by PQ, BC by QR, B is included angle. Here Q is included angle. So we get SAS similarity criterion. Here also SAS, S completely. Okay. So therefore these two triangles are similar. Now we are consider triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Now we have to write all the points. What are the points you know? Points are AB by PQ equal to AB by PQ equal to, here the next side itself we have to take BC by QR. Isn't it given to us? This is the given point. And angle B equal to angle Q we have found out. B equal to Q. Angle B equal to angle Q. It is proved above. It is proved above. Therefore, you can see the sides proportionality and included angles equal. Therefore, triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. We call it as SAS similarity criterion. Okay. By SAS similarity criterion, we prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Hope you understood. Stay safe, children. Bye.